Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Kotak's Trade Talk podcast. On Thursday, again, we saw volatile session for our markets. The markets were around 22,300 levels when it opened. From there, all the way it fall to the levels of 22,050, and equally sharply it recovered in the second half and crossed the levels of 22,400, which was completely unexpected. The market managed to surpass all its important level, including 50 days, 20 days, as well as retracement levels. So while looking at the setup of the market, we are of the view that it's a complete reversal pattern, but it is on the day of weekly expiry. So we need to see that how actually the market span out in next few days. It should not break the level of 22,200, and it should sustain above the levels of 22,600. That's the overall discussion for the Nifty. So if we see the market is sustaining about 22,600, then it is extremely positive. Otherwise, again, we are going to see volatile activity within the range of 22,600 and 22,200 levels. Again, the strategy should be to buy on dips around 22,300, 350. Keep a stop loss at 22,200. On the higher side, resistance would be 22,500 on immediate basis and 22,600 in the near term. For the Bank Nifty, there also we saw volatile activity from 47,500. It recovered back to the levels of 48,000 plus, and today 48,200 is going to act as immediate resistance for the Bank Nifty. Above that, the chances of hitting 48,500 would turn bright. The strategy should be to buy on dips close to 47,700 levels. It should not break the level of 47,500 on a closing basis. Apart from this, two major indices need to keep a close watch on, specifically metals and minings as well as FMCG companies, as most of these stocks recovered sharply on the weekly expiry day, and Hindustan Lever, ITC, Marico, Dabur sort of stocks did well. IT stocks have also shown some activity, but there we need to be very, very selective, and based on their technical formations and breakout formations, we can look for adding some positions with the tight stop losses. Global macros are completely unchanged, so there is hardly any specific news flow from the global macros, and even world markets are completely flat. That's all from my side. With this, I'm ending today's morning podcast. Thank you.